welcome to GTI Spindle Technology. My name is Tom Honig. We're going to be doing a short video today about the iPad Vibration Analyzer. We've done several videos already showing how the Spindle Scope app on the iPad Analyzer works, how it can show spectrum, send out emails, email the spectrum right from the floor where you're standing, and pretty much went into all the details of the app. But what we want to discuss today is how well the iPad Analyzer platform and the Spindle Scope app works very, very well with many of the apps on the App Store. And obviously in other videos I've shown how we can save to the photo album, save our spectrum there, or save to PDFs. And you can open those PDFs in other apps like air sharing and other things. And in Photos, which I'm in Photos right now, here are some pictures of the iPad 2 and the original iPad in its industrial case. And quickly, we can just go into our photos and start looking at some spectrum and just flip through them. They're all date stamped and named, very easy to go through. And in other apps, we can actually write on our spectrum, look at what balance was or different specifications before we email them out so that the person receiving them has our notes right on them and points out certain things that we want to point it out. But there's a specific app I want to bring up today called Tapforms HD. What this brings us to a whole nother dimension of what we can do with the iPad from a maintenance perspective. And you can custom make forms. You can see I've made one here named Vibration. And you can put many different criteria, whatever you want, machine type, what location you're taking the reading, so forth and so on. But let me go through it real quick and show you how easy it is. Simply just hit date and time, it pops up for now, and there is your timestamp that quickly. I can hit the customer name, type it in very simply, let's just call it ABC, move to the next. Location, like I said before, just the GPS chip in the app just brings me right to where I'm taking my readings. So I'll have a actual location stamp of where I am. I hit save, it puts it right into the report. My technician name, I can create a new contact if I'm not in the database, or I can simply just go to the database, which brings me into the Contacts app, and I can simply just pick my name. All my contact information is all there and stamped right into the report. Machine type, I put a pick list so I don't even have to type. I can just pick grinding machine. Machine condition, I can press good. I can actually take a photo of the machine. Now, I don't have a machine here that I can photo, but I can demonstrate to you quickly. I can take a picture of the doors here, the only light in the room. Take a picture, and I'll show you what it does. It actually takes that picture and puts it right into my report. So this way I can reflect what type of machine I was taking a vibration reading on, or what different dimensions I was looking at, so forth and so on for memory purposes. Now audio notes, I can record audio notes and say I'm at machine number 53. We have a coupling problem. I want you to look at the spectra in that particular detail. I hit pause and that goes right into the report, and QuickTime displays it on the email where it's received. I actually put a sketch pad. I can actually sketch out what I'm measuring, or maybe a wiring diagram, point out some things. I hit save. Again, goes right to my report. It also has numerical data you can input and customize. Here I've got taper runout. I can put in my runout and just go to the next icon. Tool retention, same numerical data. Puts it right into the report. Now here's the real nice thing. We've got vibration readings. We just tap on that. It brings us into the imports of readings we just took moments ago. Pulls it right into the report. We can pull in multiple readings. Again, pulls it right into the report. Now if I want to look at those readings, make sure it's what I wanted to send before I send it, I can pull it up on the PDF on the screen. There it is. I can go back down. There it is. I can hit the last icon here. Machine test complete, and it's done. Now here you can see I hit the envelope on the bottom. It all puts it right in an email format. My picture, my sketch, my audio reading, my spectrum, it's all in my email reading, ready to go. All I need to do is simply tap up here and say who I want to send it to. It brings up the contacts, hit the contacts, send, and there my report is gone, and it's already on its way and done. I can move to the next machine, so forth and so on. Now there's many other apps that work with the spindle scope and the analyzer. We've actually have an oscilloscope now that we can plug right into where the accelerometer plugs in, and you can use a full oscilloscope with the iPad. So it's becoming an endless amount of apps that enable to make your job easier as a predictive maintenance program and a maintenance guy taking this information and documenting it.